Welcome to Handmade Happy Hour. Today I'm going to do a bleach jacket with an upcycled Minnie Mouse. To do this, I'm using freezer paper. I'm going to link all the products down below. Freezer paper is like butcher paper. It's waxy on one side and paper on the other. It's perfect for stenciling, and today I'm going to be stenciling with bleach, actually toilet cleaner. I'm going to fold my paper in half. That is with the waxy side on the inside. And then I'm going to cut out a Mickey Mouse shape. You can do any shape here, but this is specifically for wearing when we go out to Disneyland. So I'm just going to cut that shape out so I have that silhouette. Let's give my jean jacket a quick press here. And then we're going to iron these pieces down. That's going to go down wax side first. You're going to put the wax side down, and then you're going to go ahead and give a light press over it. This is a no steam iron. I'm using a mini iron, but of course any iron will do here, but there is no steam, no water. And this is Clorox toilet bleach. This works pretty great for this, and you might already have this on hand. I'm just painting that on with a paintbrush, and I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. You want to watch it because this bleach can run quickly. Now I'm going to submerge this in water. I'm just peeling off the paper, and I'm quickly getting cold water on this and a little bit of soap. And then I'm going to put the whole thing into the machine to wash and thoroughly dry. I'm happy with how my Mickeys turned out, but I do feel like I got a little bit of a fuzzy edge here. So I think in the future, I would probably only leave this on for about 2 minutes, but I think it looks really cute and it's organic and handmade. So I love it. All right, this is what it looks like when it's all dry. And now I'm ready to do my applique. I found this at the thrift store, and I'm going to use some fusible webbing. There's different brands, Heat and Bond, Wonder Under, I think is one name. So fusible webbing is paper on one side and webbing on another. So you're going to iron the webbing side to the back of whatever you want to applique. Here I'm just cutting out this little cute mini from the thrift shop hoodie. So I'm going to go ahead and cut around that edge. I'm leaving a little edge for sewing. You can hand sew or machine sew around this. You could probably just iron it on and be good, but I like to sew around the edge. You peel off the backing, and now you have an iron-on. So easy. So I'm going to put that right in the center, and you can tell obviously that's the iron-on side down. And then we'll give that a press to iron it down. If you were just doing this for 1 or 2 wears, you could probably get away with just ironing it like this. But if you're going to be washing this over and over again, I highly recommend either hand sewing or machine sewing around the edge. So now I'm just going to take it to my machine, and I'm just doing a straight stitch all the way around. Of course, it's such a curvy design, so I'm having to work it. But I love how it turned out. It's so cute. Both of my girls have worn it. It's just really fun, and I love the DIY look. What are you going to make with your toilet bleach? Let me know. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll be back next week with another fun project video to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.